34 kilometers away from Bonito downtown, Rio do Peixe waterfalls is one of the most enchanting scenarios. Annually, the falls receive thousands of tourists in search for the energy provided by the direct contact with nature. The place offers baths at the ornamental falls or at the countless natural pools, which gather an amazing spectacle of underwater life. Another attraction are the animals of the region. Monkeys, macaws and toucans can be photographed and admired at their natural habitat. At lunchtime, there's nothing better than taste the typical food of the state prepared by the farm owner, who also likes to personally welcome the visitors. Rio do Peixe Waterfalls, a place to enjoy and refresh.